Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, HP Envy 5000 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to how to change the printer usage location on this device. Firstly, you should open Setup, then click Preferences. Afterwards, enable Send Usage Info. After that, you can change or choose your usage location, for example, business, and how much employees you have, for example, more than 500. Click Confirm, and cool. Right now, we chose the print usage location as business. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you.